Hello, welcome. We are having an equation with rational exponent. Let's see how we can do that. This is x minus 3 to the power 2 on 3 equals to 9. What we need to do is to try to eliminate this exponent we are having here, which is a rational, that is fraction. And the best way to eliminate this is to multiply this fraction by its reciprocal. So we are going to raise both sides to the reciprocal of this. So we are raising both sides to the reciprocal of this, meaning I should be having x minus 3 to the power 2 on 3, and that is also multiplied by 3 on 2 equals to 9 to the power 3 on what? 2. What do we do? You can see that this 3 will cancel this and these 2 will cancel. So we have x minus 3 equals to, in the case of this, it is also 3 exponent 2 as in 9 itself, then 3 on 2. This means that these 2 will cancel this. So I should be left with x minus 3 equals to 3 exponent of what? 3. So x minus 3 will be equals to 27. What do we do? Now, but if you look at this, this is an equation, all right? This is an equation. If we take it carefully, we can see that the 3 over 2 is the same as 1 over 2 multiplied by what? 3. Not to the power. Multiplied by 3. This is 1 over 2 times that. And remember, if you have the root of, let's say, a is the same as a exponent 1 over n. So this is actually the root. It is the root we are using. What is it? This is the root raised to the power 3. Or the root times 3 is what we are using. So as you find the root in an equation, both sides, there should be plus or minus. So here, there should be plus or minus, plus or minus, plus or minus. So if I pick x minus 3 equals to plus 27, or x minus 3 equals to negative what? 27. These are the two options that we need to consider because of it is an equation. If it's just an expression, we just have to find the positive aspect of it. But it's an equation, so let's check. We can do a check and see whether the answer will be correct. So this will be x minus what? 3 equals to 27, meaning we transpose this to make x equals to 30, or by then 27 plus what? 3. We are now going to pick the second one, which is x. We are going to transpose this as well. Minus 27, this time plus what? 3. This will be negative and positive here, bigger than this, so negative what? 24. So the value of x in here will either be 30. So the values of x is either 30 or 27. We can cross-check and see whether that will be true. So our check for the first one will mean that when x is, let's just say, okay, x is 30 for the first one, it becomes 30 minus 3 raised to the power 2 on 3. Here will be 27 raised to the power 2 on 3. Remember, this is also going to be 3 power 3, 2 on 3. So this will cancel this. So I should be having 9. Just like the right is saying. Then, when x is what? Negative 24. The next one. It means negative 24 minus 3 should be the power what? 2 on 3. We have negative 27 power 2 on 3. This is also, we are looking at for values that we can multiply consecutively and still have the negative 27. And that is going to be 3 times itself, negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3. Will come back and give us a negative 27. So I still have negative 3 to the power like this, 2 on 3. Okay, this is 3. So I think I should make it like this, power 3 times 2 on 3. Just this will be the best way to write it. So all of this representing negative 27. Then this 3 will cancel this. I should be having negative 3 all square, and that will be 9. Remember, negative 3 square like this is not 9. This is not equal to 9. So that is why the power 3 here supposed to be outside. If it is on this, meaning after cancelling the 3 and this, you should be having the 2 on it. And 2 on it will be producing an answer that will be negative 9. But you're looking for a positive 9. I guess you understand. I have a feeling that there will be another way by which we can go about all this. If you do, try that and share your thoughts in the comment section as we keep on learning together. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.